Hi friends, in this video we will see how to write a set by using a roster method, which is also called as a listing method. In your examinations the question can be asked like write the following set by using roster method or listing method. The meaning of both is one and same. So let's start solving the example from the first practice set, that is from practice set 1.1. The first question. See, the question is given as write the following sets in roster method. The first one is given as set of even natural numbers. We need to write only the even natural numbers. So we have assigned the set name as a capital A is equal to, inside the curly bracket we have written 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 up to infinity. This is the answer for our first question. Second is given as set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now 2 is the only even prime number from 1 to 50. So in set B only 2 is the element present. So this is answer for our second sub question. Third is given as set of negative integers. Now negative integers are infinite. So C is equal to from infinity then -3, -2 and -1. See, in the question itself they have mentioned that set of negative integers. So only up to the negative numbers we are writing our answer. We are not including 0 here. And the fourth one is 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Means 7 swars, 7 sur we have to write. We have assigned the letter capital D and the answer is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha and ni. So this was the video explaining the listing method, means how to write the set by using listing method. Thank you.